Ever notice hot water disappears right when everyone showers? Morning routines turn into a rush, and nobody loves that. One shower starts, another follows, then the water cools. That little frustration can throw off the whole house. Especially in larger homes, demand changes fast. You need hot water that simply keeps up. That's where the Rheem RTG Series comes in. This outdoor natural gas tankless water heater feels like relief. It delivers endless on-demand hot water without a storage tank. So, hot water is ready when your family is. With 7 GPM, it handles serious household demand. At a 35-degree rise, it outputs 160,000 BTUs. That means 2 to 3 showers at once, comfortably. Perfect for busy mornings and full house routines. And because it's tankless, there's no waiting around. No reheating cycle. No bulky tank taking up space. Just efficient hot water on demand, all day. The outdoor design eliminates venting concerns indoors. That makes installation cleaner and more space-friendly. Its compact, wall-mounted cabinet looks neat and durable, built for long-term residential performance in tough conditions. Energy efficiency is another big win here. The 0.82 UEF helps lower operating costs. Compared with 50-gallon electric tanks, savings can be significant. On-demand heating means less wasted energy every day, so you enjoy comfort without the heavy utility bills. Temperature control is simple and precise, too. The digital LED panel lets you adjust within 1 degree. That keeps showers, sinks, and laundry consistently comfortable. Safety features add extra peace of mind. Freeze protection helps in colder weather. Flame failure protection supports reliable operation. The multi-point safety system helps protect your home. It's CSA certified for dependable natural gas performance. And it's designed for professional installation. A qualified installer can mount it efficiently outdoors. The package includes mounting hardware and a detailed manual. That makes setup straightforward for the right pro. For homeowners, plumbers, and contractors, it's a smart upgrade. For large families, it means fewer hot water headaches. For property owners, it means efficient, reliable comfort. And the 15-year heat exchanger warranty adds confidence. Plus, you get a 5-year parts warranty. If you want powerful, efficient hot water, start here. Rheem RTG Series keeps the hot water flowing. Upgrade your home comfort with confidence today.